What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My apologies, I know I haven't picked up the camera in almost 2 weeks now. I've been super sick, bro, for the last week. I don't know what the hell I had. I had like a pretty bad cold. I'm finally feeling better, thankfully. You might be able to tell with my voice. I'm still a little bit congested, but I'm overall feeling a little bit better. So yeah, I've been literally at home sick for the past couple of days. But anyways, I wanted to bring you guys this video to show you guys what's going on with the Z. I have not driven this thing in about 2 weeks because we have a small little problem. So I'm gonna set the camera down, start the car, and you might be able to see it from the rear. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna catch it, but if it doesn't catch it, well, I mean, I'll show it to you guys after. But let's see if you guys can see what's wrong with this thing when it starts. I also haven't started it in over a week, so it'll be a nice little cool down. I'm gonna have to see when I edit it later, but right now when I bring the car out, you'll definitely be able to see it. So this thing squirted. But seriously, it leaked something. Can you guys smell that? You're right, it's E85. So the car is leaking E85. So a lot of things were actually supposed to happen this past week. I was supposed to take this car to get wrapped, I think like on Monday. And on that Sunday, so the day before, I went to take it to the gym. I started it up. I was literally already leaving my driveway, and I looked in my rearview mirror and I saw a puddle, like a small little puddle on my driveway. I was like, yo, what is that? I got off, I checked it right away. I smelled the E85 and was like, I am not driving this car, bro. I mean, I could have possibly made it to the gym and back. It's not too far, but that's definitely a risk you do not want to take. Obviously, fuel, exhaust, you know what I mean? So definitely not making that risk. So I told the wrap shop to hold off a little bit, and then I was gonna take the car to my tuner E-Class to get it all fixed, and then I got fucking sick. So on the bright side, I used this time of being sick to order something that I actually really needed. I don't know if you guys are able to hear it through the camera, or actually I'll rev it up a little bit, just a little bit. Let's see if you guys can maybe hear it. The car has a fat exhaust leak, so I ended up ordering some gaskets. So this time, when I take it to the shop this week, hopefully my tuner has time. When I take it to the shop this week, we're gonna get the whole fuel leak assessed, swap out those gaskets, get rid of that nasty leak, which is obviously a boost leak as well. It's not just an exhaust leak. Get this whole intake situated because it popped off again because too much boost. And we should be boosting, maybe even turn it up a little bit on the street, have some fun with it. And once all that's dialed in, I go drive the car and I'll take it to the wrap shop, get it wrapped. I've been having that roll of wrap, bro, for shoot, months, bro. It's been like 3 months already, and it's just been sitting there. The color is super sick, bro. I cannot wait to show you guys. It is not red. I ran my car twice before, and both of the times it's been red. This time it is not red. It's something, I wouldn't say out of my comfort zone, but it's similar to a color that I've always wanted to do, always, since it came out. But I feel like it's better than that. I can't really say too much, but just know, bro, it's fire. I was gonna take the car down the block just to get some Instagram content, like some pictures, but low-key, I don't even want to risk driving the car, bro. I'm not saying from here to the corner it'll catch on fire, but I'd rather not even risk it. It's leaking quite a bit of fuel, so let me go ahead and get a little close-up of how it's leaking, or how much it's leaking from the bottom of the car. Hopefully the camera can catch it. Oh, there you go, you see it? So it's quite a bit of fuel, bro, that it leaks. So yeah, it's definitely not a good idea to drive it. From the tank area. Yeah, that's a lot of freaking fuel, bro. Stinks. So the car has already leaked from there. We've already fixed it, and if it's not the same problem, well, thankfully my tuner slash mechanic, builder, whatever, E-Class Tunes, is more than familiar with these cars, so he'll figure it out pretty quick and get it back on the road. So obviously I'm not gonna drive it to the shop. The shop is like an hour away from my house, so definitely not gonna drive it, so I'm gonna have to tow it. I do work today and tomorrow, so hopefully, and tomorrow is Mother's Day as well, so hopefully Monday or Tuesday, I don't know if he has availability, I'm sure he does, we'll be able to take it there, get this thing all buttoned up, all fixed, and we'll be able to drive it again, because this is my only car right now, bro. I sold the Q50, so this is literally my only car. Oh, and I have the Corolla. No shit. So this and the Corolla, but this is my only cool car at the moment. Driving the Corolla is fun or cool and all, but I just miss driving a loud, fast car. Speaking about that, there is some cars that I'm looking at right now. Unfortunately, they just sold one that I really wanted. It sucks, but I mean, it is what it is. It wasn't meant for me. So there's a few cars that I'm looking at, and hopefully I'll be pulling the trigger on one of them soon to add another build to the channel. Yeah, I wanted to let this thing idle a little bit. It's not too good to leave cars on 85 sitting for so long, and that's my fault. That's probably why this leak even started, honestly. I haven't driven it as much as I should, so yeah, I'm just letting it sit, let it idle for a little bit. Not too long because it is leaking, but yeah, just get the E85 flowing, bro. It's also super dirty, super dusty, if you haven't been able to tell already. It needs a wash. All right, it's right enough. Let's go ahead and put this thing inside. I've been driving the Corolla so much, bro, that this clutch feels so aggressive. Bro, I can't even shift this car anymore. That Corolla got me tripping. But yeah, guys, I'm so stuck on what I want next, bro. I really want to try something new. I want to try a BMW, but I can't find a good M3, bro. I can't find a good F80 M3. I'm getting kind of impatient. And another great choice, especially for content, would be an M340i. And I know I like the car at first, but I just know I'm gonna get tired of it, just like I got tired of the Q50. Those cars are soulless, bro. Like, yeah, they're fast, downpipe, E50, 500 horsepower, whatever, but it's just, I don't know, bro. I just feel like it's just boring. Like, just going through gears right here, shifting through the pedal shifters. I mean, I don't know, I feel like I'll just get bored of it. So I feel like I want another manual. I'm kind of wanting another Z, bro, but I don't know. That'll be my 4th VQ I've owned. I don't know, but I feel like for me, that's the best choice, like, if that makes sense. Like, that would be buying the car for me, not for content, if that makes sense. Whereas the BMW, yeah, it'll be for me, obviously, but I'm doing it more for the content purposes. So I don't know if I'm making sense, but that's just been a constant battle in my mind. What do I do? Do I essentially invest in the channel, invest to grow the channel more, but get a boring car, or get the car I really want, or I would really enjoy more, if that makes sense, and just try my best to grow with that? I don't know. It's a good question that I've been beating myself up with, but I feel like a manual is the way to go, just to have the daily fun experience and just, I don't know, just abuse the car daily that I used to abuse this car. I feel like another Z, bolt-on Z85, would bring me so much memories that I had with this car when I used to use it daily. So yeah, I don't know, at this point, it's just the best deal I find first. I don't know, we'll see what's up. I feel like I say something one day and then the next day I'm like, nah, I'm gonna do this. But we'll see. Whatever it is coming soon. But yeah, guys, we'll see. I am a very impatient person, and I hope that this doesn't defeat me this time like it did with the Q50. The Q50 was the first car I went to go see to try to buy, and I bought it. I wouldn't say I regret it, because it was a great car and I enjoyed it and I did a lot with it, I guess you could say. But I'm gonna try to discipline myself this time around and look at various amount of choices and choose ultimately what's best for me. Alright, but enough of that. I feel like I've been blabbering off. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, bro. It's 100 degrees outside right now and probably like 120 in my garage. I'm literally drenched like I'm in the sauna. Yeah, my apologies guys if this was more of a boring video, but I did want to just bring this out to you guys and give you guys a little update on the car and why I haven't posted in pretty much 2 weeks. I think this is like one of the, if not the biggest break I've ever taken from YouTube, and I don't want to do that because I know consistency is key with social media. I do have a few good videos planned for you guys. Obviously one being fixing the car and hitting some boost, and also one of my good friends just bought a pretty sick BMW, so I do want to check that thing out and get a little ride in it or something, maybe even drive it, I don't know. And yeah, we'll see what we get into. But yeah, if you guys don't believe me that it's hot, bro, I'm literally drenched, bro. Real quick, I did want to show you guys a little roll of wrap. I still haven't even opened it out of the packaging. It's just been sitting here, bro. But we'll be putting good use to it very, very soon.
6.5 hours later.
This is a random little, not takeover, but a little sleep session in the bathroom. Oh, it's just on fire, bro, no way. That's just on fire, look. No way. No fucking way, bro. Bro, that's just literally on fire. Shit is all bad. Man, this guy from coming for the wind. Let's get him close on fire as fuck, bro. What are that thing doing? Why did he cough like that? Like, what the fuck? You going to the nearest car wash or? Nearest car wash. Yeah, but we're right over here in the valley, and I randomly heard some cars swinging, so I'm gonna take it out. And this shit, that's funny.